Are you still configuring your Wi-Fi router like this? Connect your laptop to the router using a LAN cable. Power on your router and wait until it completes the initialization process. Launch your browser and connect to the default IP address of your router to see its login portal. Log into the router's admin using the default credential provided by its manufacturer. Now, you can do as many configurations as you want. Change the admin password. Reboot the router to apply all configurations. Configuring just one router can take around 10 minutes and requires IT skills. Imagine setting up 10 or even 100 routers. How tiring and time-consuming. You'd need to recruit more IT professionals just to manage this. Isn't time and labor equivalent to money for businesses like ours? But what if there was a way to reduce the workload by 10 times, a way where everything you need to do is submit your router's voucher and credentials to a device onboarding platform remotely from anywhere, at any time. On-site, anyone, even without IT skills, simply needs to connect your router to an internet source. Power on your router. In less than a minute, your router is ready. Just plug and play. Whether it's 10 routers or 100, the setup is the same. Fast, simple, secure, no IT expertise required. This is no longer imagination. With FDO technology, it's available here and now. Introducing WinCSS FDO Network Deployment Solution. Deploy rapidly, boost security, and significantly cut costs, anytime, anywhere, at any scale. Contact us now to save your time, your money, and secure your network. WinCSS FDO Network Deployment Solution. Faster, more secure, more economical.